you drink them, Holly?
I don't know. Callum said it's coffee, but I don't know if I believe him.
It's coffee.
Are you sure?
That's how they do it in France, a bowl of coffee.
It's very strong.
Above the clouds. And just leaving Orisson, which was a wonderful stay for almost 24 hours. Alright, onwards and upwards.
Beekeeper out.
Beekeeper. 17 kilometres today. I should probably do this with the sun, you know. That's like, oh, that's better. 17 kilometres today to Roncesvalles, and well, from what we've been told, this is the last of the difficult days. So in France, the way markers for the Camino are actually red and white, not yellow, which I didn't know. So they only become yellow once you get to Spain. I can't even see the children anymore. They're so far ahead of us. It's probably a bit windy, but we just made some new friends. 2 from Canada and 1 from England, which was nice. So we're only like a day and a half in, and for 2 introverts like us, that's pretty good. Had a few conversations, which have been lovely. And now we've got a fun bit up over this ridge. We're in Nevada.
Kids aren't going to be in any of the footage.
I know. The children are absolutely miles ahead of us. We don't even know.
They've just got their new friends.
They've got their new friends.
They'll be chatting away. Telling all the bad stories about me.
But we think we're in Spain now. We didn't see like an obvious border crossing, but I'm pretty sure that fountain we just filled up and...
As big a deal obviously as it is when we cross the border in Australia.
Yeah. There's no big welcome to Spain signs. Hi.
What's up, man?
Pretty good. Albergue.
We're being held here against our will, please. Cool help. Cool help.
Oh, shut up, Jethro.
Cool help.